Hi guys, welcome to my affordable watch collection. Today we are going to do a little DIY strap changing on this Casio G-Shock. But before we start, if it's the first time you are watching one of my videos, my name is Aviv and my channel is all about budget-friendly timepieces. So if you're into that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the little notification bell as well, so you won't miss any of my new videos. Let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my titanium Boulder Venture first generation quartz field watch, which I'm going to review on the channel soon. And I'm wearing it on a Vario elastic single pass strap, which is very cool and comfortable. The strap we are going to use today was also sent to the channel from Vario, along with some other straps as well. Vario also provided a discount code for the viewers of my affordable watch collection. If you buy a single strap, use code MAWC8 to get 8% off. If you buy more than one strap, the system will automatically provide you with a bigger discount. I will leave a link for you in the description of this video. Definitely go check them out. They have some really cool high quality straps. They also sent in this watch case. They call it the Travel Case 2.0 and it is launching on July 1st and is going to be available for 1 month only. So I really recommend you grab one while you can, because this is a nice and sturdy travel case that will keep your watch safe. So we have these resin adapters, and this is the strap we are going to put on the watch. It's a single pass NATO strap made of durable Cordura material, and it has brushed stainless steel hardware and metal rings protecting the hose from fraying. And this is the Casio G-Shock GA-120, a rugged beast of a watch. Let's do a quick before shot on its original resin strap first. This is actually a very comfortable strap, but it's always nice to change things up from time to time. And putting it on a NATO has its benefits, which we are going to discuss in a moment. All we are going to need today is the spring bar removing tool, which Vario also provide when you order these adapters, or some other tool that you can pry the spring bars out with. The first thing we need to do is take the resin strap off by removing these two spring bars here and here. We are going to push it down with the fork side of the tool. We need to get a good grip and push it down. There we go. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. The strap is now off. Let's put it aside. Now we are going to put the adapters on. We need to put the spring bar into the adapter itself. We will let one side of the spring bar slide into the hole in the watch's lug, and then press the other side down with our spring bar tool and fiddle around with it until it finds its way into the hole in the other lug and snaps into place. We'll check that it's secured so it won't pop out on us, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Play with it until we hear the click and make sure it's secured. And now we can slip the strap into the adapters. We'll put it through the top one first, then the bottom. Pull it all the way through. Some people prefer to put it the other way around and have the hardware on the bottom, but this is the most traditional way. Now let's try it on. And this is our after shot. This is actually more comfortable than the original resin strap. It's very military, I love that. We can actually use any other NATO strap on the watch now, up to 24mm wide. I have a different strap right here. This one is from AliExpress, just to show you that you can put anything on it. Let's put it on. That actually looks very cool. The red goes very well with the watch. Okay, so why do we use NATO straps, besides them looking cool? Well, first, they're very comfortable and limber. And second, if the watch head should lose its hold on one side, like if a spring bar breaks or something like that, it will still stay attached to the strap on the other side and won't fall on the ground like it would do if it was a regular two-piece strap. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more affordable watches related content. Don't forget to check Vario's website and their straps as well. Also follow me on Instagram and get to know me and my collection a little bit better. Get all the news about the channel and connect with me on a more personal level. I want to thank Judy and Ivan from Vario for sending in these straps and this cool watch case, and I want to thank all of you for watching, and I will see you next time.